Hey guys, I'll directly go to the point of this video. Today we're going to talk about how you can make some money in India if you're a 3D designer. That is, if you know Blender, Fusion 360, SolidWorks or any other tools, or you can make the same amount of money even if you're new to this. So we are going to divide this video into two parts, one for 3D designers with experience and one for new generalists who are totally new to this. So let's begin. So 3D designers. I'm assuming you know to use Blender, Maya, Fusion 360 or something, and you must have maybe created 3D game assets or animation, or you're a product designer or an interior designer, robotic engineer, wherever this skill is used. But we are specifically talking about 3D designing for 3D printing. If you don't already know, 3D printing is a process of manufacturing, that is additive manufacturing, that makes physical products layer by layer. The most common forms and available forms are FDM and DLP. Most commonly, 3D printing is used for prototyping and when very few quantities of a physical customized product is required. But since about few years, it has changed. As 3D printers have improved a lot in output quality and got a very simpler UI UX, any person who is a beginner can easily learn to use it using YouTube, Reddit or even the user manual. Though FDM printed products still have layered lines visible on them, consumers don't care much as long as it does what it is supposed to do. As making becomes easier, good designs are the moat. If you're already good at designing 3D assets, instead of rigging, you now have to focus on print orientation, infill, support structures and other 3D printed related stuff. Let me tell you some famous designs that almost everybody were printing in the last year, that is 2025, and the first one is lamps. People had started designing various types of 3D lamps, which I think did very well across countries. Another is Dummy 13. This design broke the internet. It was designed by someone called Gabe Rozak, who also goes by the name Sousaphone. His model just broke the internet and it needs a complete different video which we might cover somewhere in the future. Okay, so now we understood this. Step 1, learn 3D design for 3D printing. Step 2, design something good or remix or upgrade the existing model. But step 3 is where do you sell it and how do you sell it? There are a lot of websites where you can list your 3D models for a price like Cults or Thanks, etc. Or there are websites where you can list your models for free like Thingiverse, Printables and MakerWorld, and you can charge the people a subscription fee to sell your physical prints. Or if you have a lot of downloads on this website, sometimes they provide you good rewards and tokens where you can buy some printer accessories, etc. But there is another option, and that is our own startup that solves another layer of this problem. And this brings us to the second part of this video. What if you're a generalist and you don't have any idea about 3D design? You can still create your own store. You don't have to do 3D design. You don't have to hold any inventory. You just have to do marketing for your own store and get clients on it. And here is how it works. We are working on something called 3dimensions.in, which is an on-demand marketplace for physical 3D models. Now, if you're a designer, you can design your own products in STL or 3MF formats and upload it here, after which you will get the cost of making it. You can add your own margin and activate the product. Once your client makes a purchase on your store, all of the work is ours. We take care of payments, printing, packaging, shipping. You receive your payout and the client receives the product. For people who have no 3D design experience, you can just go to MakerWorld, find good products or designs that you think you can sell and buy the subscription of the designer, download their products, upload it to 3Dimensions and then create your own store. What this lets you do is, anybody can now have a own store with zero inventory and multiple products and almost zero investment, except if you're buying models from someone. The only thing that you have to focus is on marketing your store online to sell your products. If you want me to make a part 2 of the video where I show you how you can do this whole process on 3 dimensions step by step, then comment part 2 in the comments and we'll be on it. Thank you.